What is your name?
My name is Raitin.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Where are you studying English?
I am studying English at Mimut International School.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Cambodia.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What time is it?
It is 6 o'clock.
Are you hungry?
Not.
Do you like apple?
No, I don't.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Where is your book?
It is on the table.
Can you read it?
Yes, I can.
Do you like school?
Yes, I love school.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English.
Thank you everyone.